Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingo Foodies. Today I'm going to show you super moist and delicious lemon cake. This cake is made with whole wheat flour. It's eggless, vegan, dairy and refined sugar free, and it's packed with amazing zesty lemony flavor. This lemon cake tastes delicious as it is, or you can enjoy it with your favorite frosting, but I like to top it up with my homemade sweet and tangy cashew cream, which is healthy, quick and easy and pairs perfectly with this cake. So if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. In a large bowl, we'll add 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. I'm also adding a pinch of turmeric for the color, which doesn't affect the taste at all, but if you want, you can skip it. Now we'll give it a good mix till everything is well combined. Keep this dry mixture aside and add 1/4 cup oil in another bowl. Add in 6 tablespoons jaggery powder and give a good mix till well combined. Into this we'll add 2.5 tablespoons lemon juice, about half teaspoon lemon zest. Make sure that you are grating only the outer yellow skin of the lemon. Avoid grating the white part which is inside it, because that's gonna make your cake bitter. Now we'll add some milk. I'm adding soy milk. You can add any milk of your choice. Now give it a quick mix. And add in the dry mixture. Mix it gently till it's well incorporated, but make sure not to overmix. The cake batter is ready, and at this stage we'll preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now we'll pour the batter in a parchment paper lined cake pan. Smoothen it out and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for around 25 to 30 minutes. The cake looks perfect. We'll let it cool for some time. Until then, we'll prepare the cashew cream frosting. In a bowl, add 1/3 cup chopped cashews. Add in some hot water and let the cashews soak for around 15 minutes or until they turn soft and tender. Now we'll add in the soaked and drained cashews in a blender. We'll also add 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 2 tablespoons pure maple syrup or honey, and about 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Give it a good blend till it's smooth and creamy. The cashew cream frosting is ready, and it's time to cut the cake. This lemon cake turned out just perfect. It's soft, moist, fluffy and bursting with fresh lemon flavor. Now I'm gonna top it up with some cashew cream. And there you go. This easy peasy, super delicious lemon cake is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try this healthy and yummy lemon cake and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.